Welcome back everyone, it's RacerX, and today I thought I would put together a video for you guys about a question I have been getting an awful lot. How much does it really cost to replace the engine on a Demon 170? Well, I have the answers for you. I'm going to share it with you today. If you guys are brand new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Only 19% of you guys watching at home are actually subscribed to the channel, and it costs literally nothing. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified as to when all my new content comes out. Off we go.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Guys, today I am back at the Dream Giveaway Garage, and directly behind me, I have one of their most epic giveaways that they have ever done. I've actually never even talked to you guys about this, but I was here and I saw them, so I thought I would mention it. It is their Cadillac V-Series giveaway, 2 vehicles for 1 entry, and they are both amazing. That is a 2023 Cadillac Escalade V, and of course, this is a 2024 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. Both of these cars are amazing. Let's take a closer look. This is one of the most expensive giveaways that Dream Giveaway has ever done. Both of these cars are power and luxury packed into one package. And of course, you get both of these 2 cars, $150,000 SUV, a 6-figure sedan, and both of them in the same exact drawing, 682 horsepower on that supercharged V8 under the hood, and of course, on the Blackwing, 668 horsepower. So you're talking about, what, like 1,300 horsepower in these 2 cars, and they are both luxurious on the inside. I'll give you a real quick look at the Escalade V. It's almost impossible to even find one of these, and yet you have it right here in the flesh. And then right over here, you've got a few little custom touches. You've got the Blackwing right there on the side. Of course, they've also added a carbon fiber splitter right here in the front. This thing is luxurious on the inside. This is actually one of my favorite cars out there, is the CT5V Blackwing. Just look at how beautiful this car is on the inside. You also get a carbon fiber spoiler back here. I realize I don't do a ton of Cadillac content on my channel, but I will admit this is a truly epic giveaway. I actually did a review on the Blackwing on my channel before, and it did extremely well. A lot of people realize just how nice these vehicles are, and to have both of these 2 V-Series cars in the same giveaway, I mean, you have to make sure you enter for it. I actually already went and entered to win. Once I saw the cars in person, I knew I had to do it. If you use my code, RacerX, you will get not 2, but 3 times the entries for 1 price. So definitely go out there to Dream Giveaway's website, enter to win 2 epic V-Series Cadillacs. I can't wait to see who wins. This is my Demon 170. That is my brand new engine that just went into my Demon 170. For those of you guys that follow the channel, you're already well aware of what's going on. For those of you guys that are not, I'll give you a brief summary. I had about 2,000 miles on my Dodge Demon, had it out at the track, and all of a sudden the car just was not acting right. It would not go into torque reserve. Trans brake wouldn't work. The car was shifting funny. Let's see if the car bogs again. There's something not happy with the car. You saw the 2 previous passes where all the car did was just bog down on the trans brake, and it never launched. It just kind of bogged down under no power. Turns out the car was basically protecting itself. I took the car into the dealership. They took the oil out of the car, and there was metal in the oil, in the filter, all that stuff. It was deemed that I needed a brand new engine. And huge shout out to Dodge and Stellantis, because that is exactly what they did. They expedited an engine to the dealership. The technician did a fantastic job of installing this brand new engine in the car. And I still have yet to receive a lot of answers from Stellantis, but I've been very pleased with the amount of attention that they've given me. They're calling me, they're checking on it. The engine seems very happy and healthy, the new one, but I am in the process of breaking it in meticulously, to say the very least. And a lot of people want to know, well, how much does it actually cost? If you blow up your Demon 170 motor, does it cost an absolute ton to replace it? Well, I have my paperwork that they provided me, and I have some additional paperwork that I was able to come by that actually tells you what it would really cost to put a brand new engine in. So as you can imagine, when you drive the baddest muscle car ever made and your engine takes a crap, things do get just a bit complicated. Now, this is the paperwork that I received from my dealership. Obviously, this is a customer copy, and it actually came up to a grand total of 0. because my car was fully covered under warranty, and I'm really glad it was, because this would have been an unbelievably expensive repair, as you can imagine. Now, if you go to Direct Connection's website, yes, you can order the same engine that comes in this car. It's about $28,000 on Direct Connection's website, and I don't know if they readily have those engines available right now, or if they are on back order. Maybe they're actually holding on to more of them in case they see other problems pop up with other Demon 170 owners. I really can't say, but about 28 grand plus tax and all that good stuff, you can get a brand new C170 engine sent to your front door. And do keep this in mind. The average person does not have the ability to change an engine out themselves. I realize I will always get the comments, no, RacerX, it's exactly $28,000. They don't take into account taxes, and they think everybody has their own service bay with a lift and all the right tools and everything to take an engine out and stick it back in. But I'm here to tell you, 99.8% of people don't have all that stuff.
Easy peasy, I tell you what.
Which means you have to have a certified technician that knows how to do it on these cars do the work for you. And that is not a cheap thing to do. Plus, they went ahead and replaced all of my lines in the car. I mean, they did a lot of stuff. It wasn't just throwing the engine in the car. There you go, $27,000. It doesn't work that way. And if you're just the average guy with a screwdriver in your garage, take engine out, put engine in so easy, like so many people make in the comments, guys, it doesn't work that way. I don't know why people think that it does, but anything that touched oil was all replaced in the car. They wanted that oil system. They didn't want any contaminants in it, anything like that. So they replaced anything oil related. They went ahead and replaced all the coolant, like they did all the flushing and stuff like that. Of course, some expertise had to go in to installing this engine. So come to find out, when I actually got a hold of some of the other paperwork, somebody actually sent it to me. The dealership actually wouldn't give me any information on really what it would cost. That's okay. They're not really supposed to do that. But I do know what actually was billed to Stellantis, and the total for a Demon 170 engine replacement is about $48,000. So if you're one of those guys that's like, no, I just need to mod my car, and you own a Demon 170, you want to tune it and void the warranty, food for thought. You better have about 50 grand laying around if you really want to have the engine replaced and have it done right. And that is just assuming that you've got a technician out there that knows what they're doing, that can do it like my guy did it here from courtesy Dodge Chrysler Ram in Tampa, because he is literally one of the best techs in the entire area. They also had to open up a star case. They had to have an area tech rep fly in to actually look at the car. I mean, it was a big, huge ordeal. I'm so glad they did it. But 48 grand is about what it would cost to replace your Demon 170 engine. It's pretty insane. So the thing is, the technician that actually did the work on my car, he did a lot of extra little things that maybe not every technician would do. He went in, he checked the entire driveline, he regapped my plugs, he did all sorts of little things to make sure that when I got this car back, it was 100% right. And so far, the engine, it's awesome. Like I said, I'm just breaking the car in. I've had to be super nice, just babying it around. I'm on 93 octane, just trying to do the absolute most to make sure this engine is healthy. I also plan on sending off a sample of the engine oil. Once I have 500 miles on it, pull that oil, go ahead and send it out, make sure that the oil looks good on the car. I mean, there's lots of little bitty things that I'm going to do with this. When he took this thing apart, he actually pulled the supercharger off. He pulled basically the whole front of the car off. I mean, there were a lot of different things that he had to do to replace this. So for those guys out there that say, yeah, like it's super easy to just pull the engine out and put it back in, not so much. I saw how much stuff he had to do to get this right. So anyway, I just wanted to share that information with you guys. So 28 grand if you have all the tools and expertise and a lift and everything you would need in order to actually replace the heart of this Demon 170. But for most of us out there, the 99.8% of us that don't have all that stuff, you're looking at almost 50 grand for an engine replacement. So I just thought I would share this information with you guys once again. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. So until then, RacerX.